Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm going to South Mumbai. I'm going to Bora Bazar camera market, where you'll be getting where you get different kind of cameras and equipments. So I'll be going there. I have to buy microphone for my phone, and before that I will be just checking out a saddle bag for my bike. I'm just trying this. ये टच हो रहा है ना? थोड़ा सा बिट हो जाएगा. आगे ले सकते हैं. और इसको इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
क्या?
ये
नहीं कुछ नहीं. ये जो स्ट्रैप है ना, इधर आप बांध सकते हैं सर.
हाँ
वो हिलेगा भी नहीं. उधर आगे का 2 स्ट्रैप है और पीछे का 1 स्ट्रैप है.
And this is how it looks like. As of now I'm in Mahim. I'm going towards South Mumbai, and I've reached Dadar, and you can see Shiv Sena Bhavan in the front, and I'm as of now somewhere near Lower Parel, and this is somewhere near Central Mumbai Central, and I'm on this flyover. It's a very long flyover, and I'm really enjoying this ride. So I'll be reaching there in some time. Now I am in Muhammad Ali Road, Bindi Bazaar, and it is so crowded. Yeah, it looks so normal. It doesn't look like a lockdown or something like that. As of now, I'm just reached CST, and I'm almost reaching there. Having this sukha bhel here and chai. So I've reached Bora Bazar here, and you can see all the camera shops. So this is CST, and you have to just walk front of it, and you will get this Bombay bank ATM, and then from here you have to take left, and then again you have to take left from here, and you'll be reaching the place where you get cameras. And this whole street is filled with camera, and I'll just come to this camera shop, and you get everything here, and it is B&M, the shop's name, and this is the Gorilla Pod, which I'm trying out, which I want to buy, and this is voice cancelling microphone. इसको कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
माइक टेस्टिंग. माइक टेस्टिंग
हो रहा है. ये नॉर्मल कैमरा में फिट हो जाएगा ना? So you get everything here. You can just see this shop.
उसका प्राइस देता हूँ थोड़ी टाइम इसका.
Now he is going to show me how to fix this with the phone.
माइक फाइनल है ना भाई. ये पकड़ के ये ऐसा मत डालना, टूट जाएगा. ये पकड़ के फिर ये ओपन करना. ऐसा ओपन करना. फिर यहाँ पे स्लाइड. ये लॉक करना. उसके बाद अपना फ़ोन वाला ये जो स्टेट वाला है वो यहाँ पे.
ओके कैमरा के लिए ना, GoPro कैमरा. This is how it looks like. You can fix this with the camera as well as a phone or a GoPro. ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी जगह पे बहुत ज़्यादा नॉइज़ होता है, और जब आप बात करते हैं तो बहुत सारा मतलब डिस्टर्बेंस होता है. तो दिस वर्क्स आउट देयर. So you can catch like this and vlog without any background noise. And this is a GoPro Hero 7, and it costs about 27,000, and with adapter for the helmet it will cost about 31,000, and the GoPro 8 it costs about 32,000. 1 year warranty ना इसका? And he is Rashid Bhai, he is the owner of the shop. ठीक है, अरे ये सब था ना? हाँ
सही दिया।
हाँ
1,200 होता है ना,
हाँ
तो 100 रुपये कम में दिया। हाँ सही है, 100 रुपीज़।
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। So this is a shop where you get bags also, and you can see all the camera shops here, and you can come here anytime and you can pick up camera as you like. See you. So as of now I'm in the fort area, and you can see so beautiful buildings here, and this is the actual Mumbai with all these old buildings, and it is really beautiful. Now I'm on Kolava Causeway, and a lot of people coming to shop also. As of now I'm behind the Taj Hotel, and this is the Taj Hotel, and I'm just backside of that. And this is the gateway of India, the iconic place, and this is Taj Hotel. It is looking so beautiful. It is like 6:15 now, 6:15, 6:20, and you can see the beautiful sunset also. And you can also see Arabian Sea. So again I'm in Kolava Causeway, and here they're giving only the parcel. And this is the signal here, and you can see Chai Ki Tapri also here. And this is the SOBO, South Mumbai, beautiful place. And I'm on Marine Drive now, and you can see beautiful sea view here. And this is amazing, beautiful place where you can come and enjoy, and you can see the beautiful sea here, and you can also see Trident Hotel here, and a lot of people come and chill out. अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा बारिश चालू हो गई है, and I think I should go home now, and I'm going home, and hope you like my today's vlog. आज क्या हुआ कि my जो मोटो व्लॉगिंग का जो सेटअप है, कैमरा है, वो ख़राब हो गया था, so I had to do it on the phone. And hope you like my today's vlog, and do subscribe to the channel if you feel like, and have a nice day. Bye bye.